And here we are again on a Friday night and another smooth as silk start, like Formula One, isn't it, this place? So a couple of weeks ago, I got a lot of stick because I said the nights were drawing in and winter was on its way. And here we are. It's wet, it's cold, it's miserable. We've got storm something or other down south. There you go. So we're doing things a bit differently tonight. We're having a different night, but it is going to be a fun night. I can guarantee you we are going to have some fun tonight. We're supposed to be joined by Natalia from Moscow later, who's got something for us. But instead of me starting off, we're going to have the great, wonderful, fantastic Mr. Alan Rhys Jones. Yeah!
You're very kind. It's getting more like the Muppet Show every day, isn't it? I got a very, very sad song, but it won't be sad for long because everybody else will sing cheerful ones, I'm sure. And it's a Welsh song. It reputedly was lost to Wales as a song. The tune was lost. And it was rediscovered in Patagonia where they were still singing it. It's a song called Lisa Lan. And it's a very, very sad song about a lady who was pure Lisa. And so I better sing it, I suppose. Lisa Lan. Bum yn dy garu llawer gwaith, do lawer awr mewn mwynder maith. Bum yn dy gusanu Lisa-gel, fer oedd y cwmni yn well na'r mel. Fy nghangen lan, fy nghawlad glin, tydi yw'r lan of yn y byd, tydi sy'n peri poen a chri, a di sy'n dwyn fy mywyd i. Pan fyddai'n rodio yn yr ar, ymysg y blodau sy'n mor hardd, wrth glywed sŵn yr adar man, daw hiraeth mawr am Lisa Lan. Pan fyddai'n rodio gyda'r dydd, fy nghalon fas sy'n mynd yn gryf, wrth glywed sŵn yr adar man, daw hiraeth mawr am Lisa Lan. Pan fyddai'n rodio gyda'r hwyr, fy nghalon fach a dodd fel cwyr, wrth glywed sŵn yr adar man, daw hiraeth mawr am Lisa Lan. Lisa a ddwy yn danfon i. I roi fy nghorff mewn daeardi, gobeithio ddoed i angwylffren, hyd lan y bell, lle rwyf yn mynd. Hyd lan y bell, lle rwyf yn mynd. Daw hiraeth mawr am Lisa Lan.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, little moment. Just a little moment.
Beautiful.
Well done.
Lisa Lan.
You see, you always put a few bum notes in when you're not pissed, don't you? Need some
I didn't have much warning. I'd have had 3 or 4 bottles.
I'm going to change the lineup a little bit because if we slide Gwyneth up after Irene, it's going to leave us with 3 unaccompanied singers together and 2 ladies together. So, can you move Irene after Phil? Right, and then Gwyneth we can, well, or put Gwyneth where David is and put David before, no, we've got, is it? Oh, a few unaccompanied people. I'm struggling here.
I'll drop me down somewhere.
Who's it?
Move me about.
Oh, the
anything
bloody
you like.
Jenkins. More unaccompanied singers now. Right. I've lost my thread.
Well, I could get my ukulele, but you wouldn't like it.
You're looking for somewhere to stick David, John.
Oh, leave him where he is. I've lost the will to live now, and slide the Jenkins up after Dave.
There we are, look. And everybody's happy-ish. There we are.
Right.
All the bits together.
Okay, so that was a start. And now one of my all-time favourite performers, Mr. Jeffrey. To know him is to love him, even with his bad hip. Don't know. Playing his Loudon tonight.
Right. So without a safety net, as I only thought of it tonight, I haven't done it for ages and ages and ages. Everybody knows it. Well, most people do. You'll get the chorus easily enough. Let's see how it goes. First you lose the rhyming, then you lose the timing, then you lose the money, and you lose the friends. And you try for one more song, but the words don't come and the chords are wrong. Whiskey bottle won't last long before it ends. Well, I met him in a barroom in Chicago. I was writing what became of names we knew, about the ones who'd let their shooting stars go out of sight, the one-hit wonder boys who never grew. And I asked him, sir, what happened then to you? First you lose the rhyming, then you lose the timing, then you lose the money, and you lose the friends. And you try for one more song, but the words don't come and the chords are wrong. Whiskey bottle won't last long before it ends. Well, he told me it's an old and tired story, and you'll need some way to make it sound brand new. So tell them that I have my share of glory once alright, but I had somebody strong to see me through. And she told me all the things I shouldn't do. First you lose the rhyming, then you lose the timing, then you lose the money, and you lose the friends. And you try for one more song, but the words don't come and the chords are wrong. Whiskey bottle won't last long before it ends. I did what a young man does with money, and with all those young girls coming on so strong. And that's how come I lost my little honey to the road, for she went off and wrote it in a song. Well, and now you see her up there on the TV. She's a superstar and everybody knows. She sings a broken heart just like it should be sung each night. Well, and I never miss a second of her shows. And I know the way the chorus always goes. First you lose the rhyming, then you lose the timing, then you lose the money, and you lose the friends. And you try for one more song, but the words don't come and the chords are wrong. Whiskey bottle won't last long before it ends. No whiskey bottle won't last long before it ends.
Well, half bad, Jeff.
Timing.
Don't need to practice much, mate. You just got
I think
it.
most of you do it, didn't you? I could see everybody was sort of having a go at it anyway.
Yeah.
Well done.
No, it's like when we're at the club. All the comedians at the club, when it gets going, when it goes to lose the rhyme in the timing, they lose everything. Especially, and they lose the key, and it's just absolute bloody mayhem.
And marbles, they lose their marbles, don't they? Yeah.
Right, thanks, Jeff. Nice to hear
Okay.
from you. Hope you're still about for the second half, but we'll see how your family go. Right, up to trading. Come on, unmute yourself.
Good evening and welcome all. Shut up, you miserable sod. I don't know. I only have to open my mouth and he's at it. Good evening, Mr. Shepherd. How are you?
None the better for your asking. Thank you very much.
This is the theme tune to my club, really. And just make sure my capo's on tight. You know what it's like. If you've got a loose capo, it's terrible. There are dragons in the hedgerows, ballerinas in the trees, and the clouds are stately galleons floating on the breeze. All these things are yours to see, no matter what your station. Open your eyes, free up your mind, use your imagination. There are fairies in the raindrops, you can see them there, caught within the moonlight, dancing in the air. All the myths and legends that were told by mortal man still exist. Look through the mists, find them once again. We're bound by facts and science to see only the mundane, but magic lies beneath all things and may yet rise again. The world of power and money is giving men such pain. If you talk of any other, they'll brand you as insane. But love's the thing that keeps us going. Love's the thing that marks us out. Love's the thing that keeps me thinking. It's what this world should be about. For there are dragons in the hedgerows, ballerinas in the trees, and the clouds are stately galleons floating on the breeze. All these things are yours to see, no matter what your station. Open your eyes, free up your mind, use your imagination.
Woo! His own song.
Thank you.
John.
And as
Well,
I
I
sing...
think
Pardon?
dragons, they're just pussycats.
Ah, no. I'm going to move westward now into the sunset, and my wife will move eastwards.
I imagine dental treatment for a dragon would be a bit of a challenge, John.
It would be a good earner.
Good burner.
Oh, dear me. I'll shut up now. But
So this is the final of the dragon poems.
Oh.
This one was actually written in September last year, but as it's in the book, I'm doing it now because it's the final one in the book. And I do still have a few copies should anybody wish to purchase one. And this is called Percy. Meet Percy, the red dragon. He arrived one Saturday. He's heard there was a party. But he's come from China, so he got quite delayed on the way. And to find the party's over, well, he's feeling rather flat. But he's had enough of travel. He's very sure of that. So he's asked if he can stay with us and even have his own little rhyme. So once again, I've put pen to paper, but this really is the last time. He's trying to hide in the bathroom. It really is a laugh. When you open the bathroom door, you can't miss him hanging over the bath. Thank you.
oh,
There must be more to come.
well, we've just been bought 2 more tiny little dragons from someone who brought them from their holiday. We also have another one out in the garden. It's getting crazy, actually.
We've acquired in the last 12 months 1, 2, 3,
5.
at least 5 more dragons.
There we are.
Oh, you'll be moving house next.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to shut up now and let T. Gwyn do his thing, because I'm anticipating.
Have you got it queued up, Alan?
It is queued up, John. I just need to share screen and I hope we'll be able to hear it even. I'll mute myself first and then I'll share the screen. Oh, Gwen, have you got a word or two to say before we go? I can't remember.
Well, just to remind everybody that this was supposed to have been broadcast last week, but due to pressure it couldn't be, so we're broadcasting it this week. So there are some references to the week before in the introduction.
Okay.
Here we are again. I had a fantastic response to last week's contribution about Orig Williams, the wrestler. I flagged it up to several Origistas that the piece was going to be on, and they've watched it on YouTube, and we're very pleased that the poem about their hero was read out. Although one got slightly upset. Pleased to see the picture in the blog. I mean, the picture of Orig was the standard picture, but the reference to him as a wrestler from South Wales was slightly upsetting, especially considering he was from Ysbyty Ifan, which is about as close to the heartland of North Wales as you can possibly get. But they were all in all, and it was wonderful to know that they actually watched the broadcast. That this is a good one. This week's contribution, we're going pastoral. We're going back to the great Ivy Hewson, and it's a meditation in a garden. Mewn gardd gan Ivy Hewson. Dileuad hafaidd hwyr, y ser I gyd yn hydd, a'r awel rhwng y dail yn cwyno'n brydd. Ac yna'r gafod law, a sisal blagur ddyrdd, a'r coed yn curo'n sonni dwylo gwyrdd. Roedd perlau ar bob brig, ar y fron bob lili dlos, yn hirwall gloiwddu per, y wirydd nos. A ffer ar oglaen dod o dydd welyau'r mwsg, o'r lawnt lle blygau'r rhos ei ben mwsg. O lawer gwritgoch berth, a gwynion flodau claf, cariadau'r hael a gwynt, a chawod haf. A minnau yn y gwyll, dan gysgod coed yr ardd, yn methu canfod un o dyrfa hardd ac ysgau wrth fy nhraed. Breuddwydiau uwch fy mhen, mor gydd ar llu ag aeth, tu hwnt i'r llen. Ond gwyddwn, drwy y nos, ei gorchuddio dro, fod llawer car a ffrind o fewn y fro. Ac yna, daeth y wawr, a'i llysern aur i'r ardd, a gwelais heb un llen y dyrfa hardd. Diolch. I said before, every Friday we used to have, there's an echo. Anyway, poetry. Friday afternoons in Prion School, J.R. Hughes, the headmaster, would close down everything and we'd do poetry. Fantastic. And you'd be encouraged to learn these things. And Ivy Hewson was one of the main guys we learned. Wonderful stuff.
Thanks, Gwen. Lovely.
Right. I was muted there. Okay, up into the mountains for Alan, who's got his nylons on tonight, I understand.
Yes, indeed, John. I've got my nylon strung guitar. This is a sad story, in a sense. This song was written by, some of you might know him, Ian Rickard. It was a great guitarist and songwriter, but he's got nerve trouble in his neck, so he doesn't play guitar so well. Now, when my wife died in September 2010, about 2 weeks before she died, he came to visit her. And he had this song to sing to her, but because she was so poorly, he decided not to do it. Subsequently, she passed away, and about a year and a half later, I didn't see him much more. I went to the Eagles in Penmacno to a music night, and Ian came in and he said, "Oh, can we go in the back room? This is a song that I wrote for Lou, about Lou, because it sums her up to me. Can I sing it to you?" So he did, and I got it quite quickly, so we sung it in the folk club that night, and I haven't actually done it since. I've done it once with him, but he does lovely jazz rhythm behind it, which I can't do. Anyway, it's called Song for Lou. The blue-eyed squatters of the mountains, a breakthrough of a sparkling spring, reflect the laughter and the mayhem that you bring. The roadway's narrow and quite roaming, it lifts and drifts and finds its run. Round every corner you'll be shining in the sun. Just make the losing light of evening reflect the day in monochrome, and catch that picture of you leaving and coming home, and coming home. Remember, living is forgiving, reminded that the only way is to keep the joy of living every day, every day. The blue ice waters of the mountains, the prospect of a sparkling spring, reflect the laughter and the mayhem that you bring, that you bring. Just let the losing light of evening reflect the day in monochrome, and catch that picture of you leaving and coming home, and coming home. Remember, living is forgiving, reminding that the only way is to keep that joy of living every day, every day. Every day, then coming home.
That's lovely.
Hey, thank you, Al. That was all right.
I got a bit emotional in the middle of that, so I lost my plot a bit, but there you go.
That's all right, Al.
No, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Right. Oh, it's me.
It's you.
I'm used to starting off, so then I sort of relax for the rest of the night and sort of forget it. So, oh yeah, bugger. Right. Okay. This I have got a backing group. I have got a couple of fluses here to help me out, and we're going to try something with Zoom, because Zoom has got a lot better. You remember when Brian and Linda used to come? They used to do duets. I'm going to ask Alan if he can join in. I don't know how this will go, but anyway, it's punting. Some of you know it's a song about a race between two punts, and there's a bit in the song that goes, and the starter fired his gun, at which time my fluses will join in with the bang. Or at home, anybody, if you just make some sort of noise, don't unmute yourself, because we'll have Alan unmuted. There were two participant punts, performing and pulling off stunts. The guys in the boaties were little donkey hooties, standing in a punt, trying to confront the other with a dunt or a sneaky wee shunt, and the starter fired his gun. To commence the rollicking fun, there was pushing and poking and pulling and punting, great big guys groaning and grunting. You've never seen anything quite so banal as the punt is punting on the Union Canal. And the first punt started so well, shot along like a bat out of hell. But the guy at the back found his grip went slack. The poor old soul slipped down his pole, landed in the drink and did an Eskimo roll, and the starter fired his gun. Oh, shit! to commence the rollicking fun. There was pushing and poking and pulling and punting, great big guys groaning and grunting. You've never seen anything quite so banal as the punters punting on the Union Canal. And the second punt bumped to the front, and the crew gave a jubilant grunt. For the captain, to be blunt, was up. His boat missteered, it was weird how it veered. Everybody cheered when the bugger disappeared, and the starter fired his gun. To commence the rollicking fun, there was pushing and poking and pulling and punting, great big guys groaning and grunting. You've never seen anything quite so banal as the punters punting on the Union Canal. And the silence of the setting was drowned by the sound for miles around, and an unimpressed swan gave a cynical yawn. The drakes and the ducks all agreed that punting sucks. The rats and the voles went back into their holes for some paracetamols, thought they were arseholes, and the starter fired his gun. Well, that worked quite well for Zoom, didn't it?
I knew he was in your house.
Yeah.
I had it sussed as well.
Yeah, I did. Because all the door mouldings are the same and the chairs are the same.
Chairs.
I know.
Chairs, yeah.
Missed your opportunity.
Well, no, the door mouldings behind you are the same as the front room.
Could have been a spy out.
Right,
We've
we'll
left it out.
rearrange our seating here while Mr. Michael Hawkins is entertaining us.
Right. This song's called Cruel. It's a Kate Rusby song. It's about a girl who loses her boyfriend to the press gang. Cruel were my parents to tear my love from me. Cruel was the press gang that took him off to sea. Cruel was the little boat that took him from the strand. Cruel was the big ship that took him from the land. All away, boys, all away. All away, boys, all away. Cruel was the water that ship sailed upon. Cruel was the fair wind, for now my love is gone. It should have blown a roaring gale and they'd have stayed on land. We could walk together, I would hold his hand. Haul away, boys, haul away. Haul away, boys, haul away. The ring beneath my pillows, the ring he gave to me. I wear it on my finger for all the world to see. Cruel was the captain and the boatswain and the men. They didn't give a farthing if I saw my love again. Haul away, boys, haul away. Haul away, boys, haul away. tear my love from me. Cruel was the press gang that took him off to sea. Cruel was the little boat that took him from the strand. Cruel was the big ship that took him from the land. Haul away, boys, haul away. Haul away, boys, haul away. Haul away, boys, haul away.
Double trouble in one screen.
Yeah.
We just to let Phil know, we've got the latest version of Zoom here. We're actually 50 miles apart.
Yeah.
It makes you look like you're in the same.
I'll try it out next week. Yeah.
You have to sort of Photoshop your image a little bit first to get the same sort of
I
tone.
get it. Yeah. You also have to make sure all the chairs look the same. Don't you?
Yeah.
Ah, well, Alan Manouche, should have been a spy.
John, don't let him get too pissed or he won't go home tonight.
He's not going home tonight.
Oh, no.
They're up in the attic tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got plenty of room here.
No, not at all.
So it's in the attic room.
I shall be sussing out all the furniture worth pinching. That's my job.
Oh, right. Aye.
Right, Sheila.
Hi.
Lovely.
Just got a little poem about the day of the little ships at Dunkirk. Long after the shadow of war is fled and the last battle is fought, men will remember the little ships and the great things they wrought. We shall tell over with laughter and tears the homely names they bore. They not meant for the baptism of fire and the grim uses of war. Paddler, dinghy and sailing barge, eagle and queen and bell, and the humble Marthas of the ports that have no name to tell. Let us remember them and their men who asked not fee nor fame, but all they knew was a job to do, and they spat on their palms and they came. They dared the hell of the shell-shocked dunes, the hell of the bomb-torn tide. They cared not a damn if they sank or swim, nor yet if they lived or died. Home they came from that coast of death, each with her tale of men, stayed but to set them ashore, and so back to hell's mouth again. Therefore, while England's cliffs shall stand, and the Channel tides do roll, let us remember the little ships, how on the day of the little ships they saved an island. Thank you.
We forgot to unmute. We're not organised here.
No. I'm phased. I'm a bit confused. I've got this thin lad sitting next to me.
I can't work out whether you look like Little and Large or the Chuckle Brothers.
Yes.
Yeah. Listen here, your race is nearly run, mate.
Yeah.
No, we're in trouble now.
Yeah, you're going to be a big stum when you've finished. Right, okay, come on, let's see what you've got then. Have you got something better than last week's efforts?
It's the two old fellas from the Muppet Show, isn't it? Statler and Waldorf.
Yeah.
Hey, that was great! Oh no, it wasn't so great. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Right. Well, this is from 1965. I don't know whether it's better than last week because I can't even remember what we sang last week, but it was certainly well known. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. I recognise it, John, because I know it's before your time, but...
It was written by that fellow who had an accident on his bike and then songs, wasn't it?
I can remember 10 years ago, but I can't remember yesterday. Hey, that was good. That was great.
Oh, no.
Oh, it
This is just the
good. No, that was
start.
terrible. Oh, yeah.
Right, this one's only slightly newer. This one's 50-year-old. And it's called Old Man, but it's not directed at anybody at the club or anything like that. They're all young men.
Oh, yes, it is.
It's another Neil Young song. So this is for Ruth and Andrew. I think he wrote it in 1971 because I seem to remember recording it on the reel-to-reel tape recorder, which is all you had at the time, microphone and reel-to-reel. And yeah, it's Old Man. He wrote it about somebody who looked after a ranch he'd just bought.
You shouldn't be doing requests for Ruth and Andrew. They're not with it.
Oh, they didn't request it. I insisted on it. Sorry, by the way, what was the balance like between guitar and vocals?
Crap.
Crap.
That's okay then.
Right. Has anybody else got a learned
It was
opinion?
fine.
Thank you.
It really
Thank
was,
you.
Brian. Yes.
Oh man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were. Oh man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you were. Oh man, look at my life, 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think of two. Love lost, such a cost. Give me things that don't get lost, like a coin that won't get tossed, rolling home to you. Old man, take a look at my life, I'm a lot like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. I want to look in my eyes and you can tell that's true. Lullabies look in your eyes, run around the same old town. Doesn't mean that much to me, to mean that much to you. I've been first and last, look at how the time goes past. But I'm all alone at last, rolling home to oh man, take a look at my life, I'm a lot like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. I want to look in my eyes and you can tell that's true. Oh man, look at my life, I'm a lot like you. Oh man, look at my life, I'm a lot like you.
Oh yeah! Woo! Fabulous.
High average.
Hey, that wasn't half bad.
That's pretty good coming from you, John. Bloody hell.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Take what you get.
Super.
Yeah.
Oh no, that was great. That was really nice.
Fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant.
Right, before we get to Izzy's knackered after the walk.
Oh, she's still walking.
So yeah, or whatever. Anyway, she's not doing anything. So before we get to Phil, we have got a random American person at the bottom corner. Joined us a little bit since. Are you singing, Mr. Random American Person?
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you see me?
We can see you. Yeah.
I'm a friend of Karen's. I've been on here a couple of times.
Oh yes.
Working in the distance.
Yeah.
We forgot your name, Random.
Random. My name is Neil.
Neil. Lovely to see you, Neil.
Good to see all of you again. It's been a while since I've been able to be here. So
well, you're welcome here.
You guys could recite the alphabet, and I would be enchanted by it.
No, most of these idiots couldn't recite the alphabet. It's totally beyond their mental capacity.
Why don't you be quiet, John? Shut up. Come on.
Oh, there you are. You see.
Music.
Right, well, thank you, Neil.
Thank you, Neil.
Well, this way we remember you now, and we'll remember you next time.
Yeah.
And I see Glenys is next to you, pouring you a drink.
Oh, yeah. Well done,
And
Glenys.
she's on the way to being pissed again.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be a little tough to get it to me, but I appreciate the thought.
Right, okay, thanks, Neil.
Yes, yeah.
Up to Northumberland for Phil.
Oh, Phil, yeah. Listen. Get this new version of Zoom. It's great.
Yeah.
You can almost touch somebody. You know.
Oh, yeah.
Fantastic. 50 miles apart. You wouldn't believe it, would you? Off he goes.
Right, everybody muted, yeah. Okay, this is a song, I think Brian Sue did a song from 75. This is one from about then as well, although from somebody a lot less well known. A chap called Peter Bond, who was a lad from Teesside. Yeah, so I think this song, when you listen to it, you could probably imagine yourself on the North York Moors, I suspect, looking down over the smoky Teesside. I'll give it a go anyway. I climb towards the brooding sky, escaping from the factory hum. As snow beneath the hedge will try to cheat the watery winter sun, where feathered ferns of frost have sprinkled diamonds on the dale. I see above me fleet and frail the lark across the vapour trail. As pedlars tramp the moody moors, the reapers use the sheave and stack. Now men take root on factory floors, and heather hides the drover's track. The trades have changed, the game's the same, men struggle to prevail. And singing still over bricks and vale, the lark across the vapour trail. The trees don't let a man forget, the grime tells tales for all to see. The windward side shows 5 days sweat, the fairer face, the 2 days free. To gaze upon that freedom side, you have to face the gale. And still above the tree she sails, the lark across the vapour trail. The towns sink claws into the land, deep footholds in the earth they carve. But mills and forges have to stand, for no one's free who has to starve. The realms of nature and of man are balanced in the scales. I hear a cry we dare not fail, the lark across the vapour trail. The realms of nature and of man are balanced in the scales. I hear a cry we dare not fail, the lark across the vapour trail.
Yes,
oh yes,
It's lovely, well done.
Very nice telegraphed ending.
Yeah, we saw that coming. That was great, Phil. Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't so good. It was great. Oh, that was great.
Great, thank you, Phil. Yeah, it's going to be a strange night tonight.
Strange.
Harry.
Odd.
We haven't seen you for some time. Where's your note, please?
I've got Dave's ready just to press the button because Mike's done a lovely backing track for this one. I haven't done this one before.
No, he hasn't.
I know. Off you go, Dave.
1, 2, 3.
Last night there were 4 Marys, tonight there'll be but 3. There was Mary Seaton and Mary Beaton and Mary Carmichael and me. Oh, often hey I dressed my queen and put on her braw silk gown. But all the thanks I've gotten tonight is to be hanged in Edinburgh town. Oh, little did my mother ken the day she cradled me. The land I was to travel in, or the death I was to die. Oh, happy, happy is the maid that's born o' beauty free. It was my dimpling rosy cheeks that's been a deal to me. They'll tie a kerchief round my ear that I may not see today. They'll never tell my father or mother that I'm across the sea. Last night there were 4 Marys, tonight there'll be but 3. There was Mary Seaton and Mary Beaton and Mary Carmichael and me.
Yay!
Hey!
The song was about Queen Mary of Scots. Obviously, well, you've gathered that. But Lord Darnley was her husband, and he was meant to have made one of her ladies in waiting pregnant. And I think this is one of the reasons. I know. And I could have sung
Swine.
I know. I could have sung 24 verses. Joan Baez's version is 24 verses, but it's a bit repetitive. So I think 7 was enough.
Right, well, thank you. Nice to see you back.
It was lovely, yeah.
Despite the Duff backing track there.
That was grand. It sounded like a harmonium with a guitar, a keyboard or something like that.
Bagpipe sounding very
Bagpipes. Mike, do you play down at the chapel on the Sunday on the harmonium?
Oh, naturally, but I was playing the bagpipes on that one.
I played harmonium in Sunday school. I used to pedal away at the thing, everything in the key of C. Yeah.
Right, where are we? Oh, we're still down. We're across the road in Surrey, aren't we?
That's right, just a few hundred yards away. Just thought for the day, on average a panda feeds for approximately 12 hours a day. A human adult in self-isolation feeds for approximately the same time. So perhaps that's why it's called a pandemic.
So
C'est terrible.
I'll cut that out before it goes on YouTube. I'll cut that out.
Okay.
Our reputation hangs on stuff like this.
Reputation? Okie dokie. We've got an Alan Jackson song. So you can tell it's not going to be very folky, but it's quite country. Two young people without a thing say some vows and spread their wings, settle down with just what they need, living on love. She don't care about what's in style, she just likes the way he smiles. It takes more than marble and tile, living on love. Living on love, buying on time. Without somebody, nothing ain't worth a dime. Just like an old-fashioned storybook rhyme, living on love. It sounds simple, that's what you're thinking, but love can walk through fire without blinking. It doesn't take much when you get enough, living on love. Two old people without a thing. Children gone, but still they sing, side by side in that front porch swing, living on love. He can't see anymore. She can barely sweep the floor. Hand in hand, they'll walk through the door, living on love. Living on love, fine on time. Without somebody, nothing ain't worth a dime. Just like an old-fashioned storybook rhyme, living on love. It sounds simple, that's what you're thinking, but love can walk through fire without blinking. It doesn't take much when you get enough, living on love. No, it doesn't take much when you get enough, living on love. Living on love.
Woo! Harmonies are lovely. I look forward to them on a Friday night.
Me too, I must admit.
Thank you. I'll let you into a secret. We only really started singing together since the lockdown started.
Well, it sounds good now.
How long you been married?
47 or 48 years, something like that.
So it took you about 46 years to discover that harmony was good for a relationship.
No.
Yeah, well, that's true, actually.
Generally, harmony has been pretty good. It's just a singing one, which.
And the thing is, Mike's the experienced one, but you're carrying him nowadays.
Oh, thank you. I told you last week, I love you.
We've just noticed, if Alan Manouche had this latest version of Zoom, I could go like this, and I could strangle him from here like this.
And I could go like this, and I could cuddle you.
I've got longer arms than you, Al. I'll get you both.
You're nearer to him.
We did okay at Christmas in the raffle when I actually extracted one of Alan's teeth.
Very true. Lower molar. It was indeed.
Has it healed up yet?
And then when I was a real patient, actually.
Oh, I think that'd be a good name for a new house. If you moved into a new house, you'd call it Lower Molar.
I think upper incisor has more class. More class. A bit more Surrey.
We actually,
well, you've got another one, you two.
Yeah, we do have a river running very close to us called the River Mole.
Oh, the Mole Valley. The Mole Valley, I remember. Ever decreasing circles. That was the Mole Valley, wasn't it?
Oh, was it? Right.
Mole Valley Valves. I remember that. Yeah.
Okay. Well, for our second offering, we've got a real gospel song. Each day I'll do a golden deed by helping those who are in need. My life on earth is but a span, and so I'll do the best I can. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days, and I must go to believe that I have come when there will be no setting sun. To be a child of each day, my life must shine along the way. I'm saying his prayer while angels roar and strive to help from troubled souls. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days and I must go to meet the deed endure is one that's kind and good and pure and so for God. I'll take my stand. Each day I'll lend a helping hand. I'm going down life's weary road. I'll try to lift some traveler's load. I'll try to turn the night day. They flowers bloom along the way. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days, and I must go to meet the deed that I have done. When there will be no taking from. Thank you.
There was a little bit of a problem with your sound coming
Yeah,
in.
it was. It's fading in and out. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think you
will
got.
we?
Yeah, I think you got that microphone from QuickSave, did you?
It wasn't
Nah.
Waitrose, that's for sure.
It was Aldi.
It's just coming and going a bit. It's
Virgin
fine.
Broadband.
On both songs.
No,
Yeah.
no, just
No,
the
no,
second.
second song.
Oh.
Must be a broadband.
Helen, darling, don't you worry. It would be Michael's fault. Every
Of
time.
course.
Most things are.
Oh, you creep.
But I'm not letting you do it again.
No, we wouldn't.
Right, we've got. Is that your sister that's just joined us, Gwyneth?
My daughter or daughters.
Oh, surely your sister.
Yes,
surely.
surely.
Here we goes again.
Brownie points, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely.
Definitely. Oh, yes, yeah. Looks like a sister to me. Yeah.
Oh, bless her.
Right,
She does. She also sings. So.
Oh, get her on. Get her
Oh,
on.
right, get her all.
Right,
Get her in here.
well, we can't slide her up from my computer.
Where should we put
But
her?
Alan
After a
will
month.
nip next door to the
50 miles? It's 50 miles?
I would walk 500 miles and I would... Right, meanwhile, give us a song, Gwyneth.
Right. Fair Maid of Islington. There was a fair maid of Islington, as I heard many tell, and she was going to London town, her pears and apples to sell. As she was going along the road, a vintner did her espy. Ah, what shall I give, fair maid, said he, one night with you to lie? Oh, what shall I give, fair maid, said he, one night with you to lie? If you would lie with me one night, you must give me £5. A match, the vintner said, and so let this go round. When he had lain with her all night, her money she did crave. Oh no, the vintner said, the devil a penny you'll have. Oh no, the vintner said, the devil a penny you'll have. This fair maid, she made no more ado, but to the justice went. This vintner hired a cellar of me, and will not pay the rent. Then straight the justice for him sent, and asked the reason why, that he would pay this maid no rent, to which he did reply. That he would pay this maid no rent, to which he did reply. Although I hired a cellar of her, and the possession was mine, I ne'er put anything into it, but one small pipe of wine. This fair maid being ripe of wit, she straight replied again, there lay 2 more butts at the cellar door, why did you not roll them in? There lay 2 more butts at the cellar door, why did you not roll them in? The justice told the vintner plain, if he a tenant be, he must expect to pay the rent, for he could not sit rent-free. And when the maid her money got, she put it in a purse, and clapped her hand o'er the cellar door, and swore it was never the worse, and clapped her hand o'er the cellar door, and swore it was never the worse.
Joe.
Oh. Lovely.
We're not very organised here tonight.
Well, I've got some beer.
Yeah, well, I'm just getting some beer in.
You should never be allowed together, you two. Look at you.
Thank you, Gwyneth.
2 of you out of control.
Before we go to Dave, can I apologise to the other Dave, because it seems to be getting slowly pushed back, Dave Prescott.
No, keep the best wine till last.
But we just separated, the 2 girls. Anyway, we'll get round to you, Dave.
Anyway.
Don't worry. But
now, does Tamsin actually look like that, or she got a proper face? What do you reckon? Anyway, Dave H has got. There's a proper face.
Yeah,
Dave H.
There's a man with a beard.
If only you could reach the odd note, low note, that would be good, wouldn't it?
Right. This is by way of an anniversary. It's the musician's equivalent of a golden wedding. As 50 years ago, I was touring Sweden where Levins are made, and I brought back this souvenir, which has been my faithful companion ever since. And I can remember now driving out of Stockholm and stopping as soon as we got out of town and tuning up by the sound of the road and see what its bass is like, and it goes like this. It's remained my favourite riff ever since. That's alright, Mama. That's alright for you. That's alright, Mama. Just any way you do me, that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, Mama. Any way you do. Well, Mama, she done told me. Papa done told me too. Son, that gal you foolin' with, she ain't no good to you, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, Mama, any way you do. Well, I'm leaving town, baby. I'm leaving town for sure. Then you won't be bothered with me hanging round your door, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, Mama, any way you do. Ah da da dee 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 dee. I need to love it, but that's alright. That's alright now, Mama, any way you do. Yeah, that's alright now, Mama, any way you do.
Oh, yes.
Oh, great song.
Come on, 50 years ago, you were in where, Sweden? 50 years ago?
Yeah.
Never. You're only 42 now. Crying out.
Absolutely, yeah.
I wish. Yeah.
Remember seeing Arthur Big Boy Crudup a few years before that when he played in a pub in Cambridge and he performed that one, which he wrote. Some other fella did quite well with it afterwards as well. Can't remember his name. Cheers.
Right. Tamsin, have you got a video or are you going to speak?
Oh, there she is.
Oh, there she is.
Hello.
Oh, half a head.
Oh, yes. Oh, you must be sisters, surely.
Yeah.
You're the older sister, eh, Tamsin?
Oh, don't say that. No, that's not the approach at all. Anyway, welcome, Tamsin.
Unmute yourself,
Oh,
girl.
she's gone.
Oh, she's gone.
Her older sister is actually sitting next to her.
Well, tell her to get a grip and get the camera on there and get her unmuted.
There we are.
God, these kids, they have no idea when it comes
Technology.
to technology.
Oh.
Technology is beyond their comprehension.
Tamsin, take no notice of him. It's your first time with us and you're very, very welcome.
Thank you.
But you're going to get stick from me because I'm a nasty piece of work. It's like the good cop and the bad cop here.
The fat cop and the thin cop.
What are you singing for us tonight then?
This is a Copper Family song called Butter, Cheap Cheese and All.
Delicious.
What a pity it is to tease me or try me for to sing when it does not lay in my power for to do any such thing. But since that you have teased me so, I'll try what I can do. And when I come to the chorus, why you must bawl out too, why you must bawl out too. It's of a cook I fell in love, and the truth I don't deny. For why a cook should have my choice, I'll tell you the reason why. For she has plenty of mince pies, plum pudding, and roast beef. And when my belly was empty, she granted me relief. She granted me relief. She sent me an invitation, supper for to take. I kindly did accept it all for my belly's sake. And after supper was over, of the cupboard I got the keys. One pocket I crammed with butter, and the other I stuffed with cheese. The other I stuffed with cheese. Well, supper being over, a half an hour or more, when the master, smelling of my cheese, came knocking at the door. And I, not knowing where to go up the chimney, I did hide. And there I sat quite at my ease, like a sweep exalted high, like a sweep exalted high. I had not been long there sitting, a-sitting at my ease, when the fire began to melt my butter, likewise to toast my cheese. And every drop that fell in the fire, it caused the fire to flare. And the old man looked up the chimney, and he swore that Satan was there. He swore that Satan was there. So up to the chimney top he got, and down some water poured. And I came tumbling after, butter and cheese and all. But I'm safe down from the chimney now, with some spot and a greasy face. And out of the street door I nimbly ran, and down the street I was chased, and down the street I was chased. The dogs did bark, the children screamed, up flew the windows all, and every soul cried out, well done, as loud as they could bawl. So to make an end to my ditty, boys, I hope I unkept you long. We'll wish success to the chorus and sing another good song. We'll sing another good song.
And Tamsin.
Brilliant. You?
That was, to be fair, that was pretty good.
Very good.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
pretty good, eh?
That was really fantastic. Yeah.
Right, thank you. Don't look so nervous, girl. That was great. You're looking really nervous there.
No.
No, that was lovely. We enjoyed that, and we hope we'll be seeing you again.
Thank you.
Right. Oh, Jenkins twins.
Oh, what have
Now,
they got
how
for
did
us?
you do in the quiz last night? Did you come bottom or not?
Yes, we came last.
Oh.
It was a very strong, because we were holding up the rest of you.
Yeah, we had a tiebreaker for who came last.
Couldn't even get that.
Okay, you've got a new song for us. We understand.
Well, it's not a new song. It's one
New to us.
new to us.
Oh.
And an old one.
Yes, an old one. Someone's on an echo somewhere. Right. When I was bound up in famous Lincolnshire, For well I served my master for nigh on 7 years, till I took up to poaching, as you shall quickly hear. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year, as me and my companions were setting out to slay. 'Twas then we spied the gamekeeper, for him we didn't care. For we can wrestle and fight, my boys, and jump from anywhere. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year, as me and my companions were setting 4 or 5, and taking them all up again, we caught a hare alive. We caught a hare alive, my boys, and through the woods did steer. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. We threw him over my shoulder, boys, and then we trudged it home. We took him to a neighbour's house and sold him for a crown. We sold him for a crown, me boys, and divna tell you where. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. Success to every gentleman that lives in Lincolnshire. Success to every poacher that wants to sell a hare. Bad luck to every gamekeeper that will not sell his deer. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year. Oh, 'tis my delight and a shining night in the season of the year.
Right. Seeing as there's 2 of you, I suppose I should say you can do 2 if you want.
Oh, thank you, John. Very kind. We'll go for a traditional Welsh one now. A poor blacksmith and his love life isn't as good as it could be. Fein da difyr ydyw gweled,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Drws yr efail yn y gored,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Ar go bach ei wyneb pyrddi,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Yn yr efail yn brysur chwythu,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Fein da difyr hir nos geia,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Mynd i'r efail am y cynta,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Pan fo rhew ac eira allan,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Gorau pwynt fydd wrth y pentan,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Fein da brafw sŵn y fegin,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Gwrando chwedl can ag englyn,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Pan fo'r cwmni yn neuafiaeth,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Ceir hanesion lawer noswaith,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Pan ddaw'r môr I ben y mynydd,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
A'i ddwy ymyl at ei gilydd,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
A'r coed rhosys yn dwy'n fala,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now.
Dyna'r pryd y ceidi fydna,
Miggledy-maggedy, hey now now. Yeah.
Hey!
You have to unmute yourself, Alan. Now you've gone back home.
I'm 50 miles away now. 50 miles. I'm come for another bottle of wine, actually. Bottle of beer.
Great. We seem to have got back to Dave Prescott's gone. Have we just pissed him off?
Yes.
It was, it's not easy trying to sort of juggle people about if you don't want too many unaccompanied singers together, all the ladies together, whatever.
Who's gone?
Dave Press. Or is he coming back?
We might have lost him, and he might be back.
No, he's back. He's
back. I'll move him up.
Well, it's sort of next if he gets back on. Can we stall for a minute? Where's he gone?
Unmute yourself, Al.
Alan, unmute yourself. Dave, unmute yourself.
He's below Helen and Mike and the Muppet box. Sorry, Dave. Dave H, are we keeping you awake, Dave H? I nearly fell in that one. Yes.
Dave Prescott, can you hear us? Is there anybody there?
It's bottomless.
Can you unmute yourself? Earth calling Dave Prescott. Earth calling Dave Prescott. No, he can't get us.
Right.
You best carry on.
In the meantime,
Unmute yourself, Dave. Oh, there we are.
He's there.
Right, hang on. I completely lost all the internet. I've had to go downstairs and get another tablet, another thing. So I've come back on a different machine.
Right, you're on.
Right. I'm here. I'm on. Right, so.
50 miles, 10 seconds it took me.
Thank you. Right, now then. Tell me if this is all right. This year in my garden, I'll grow peppers and tomatoes. Peppers and tomatoes, they grow together well. And my neighbours all around me, they grow cabbages and onions, beans and potatoes in this village where we dwell. And later in that year, we will bring wine to the table, bring wine to the table and share what we have grown, like my father did before me, and his father did before him, and his father did before him. We'll share what we have grown. This little pile of stones, this little patch of earth, I can wash the dust from off my face and skin, but this earth is in my bones. Military vehicles, they are passing through our village with young soldiers ill at ease, unsmiling and unshaven, smiling and unshaven, smiling and all smoking constantly. And my neighbors say, don't worry, 'cause you are one of us now. You are one of us now, and it will not happen here. But the next night at the cafe, as I bring wine to the table, I bring wine to the table, but they are drinking beer. Tonight the hand of friendship, it fell heavy on my shoulders, heavy on my shoulders as I turned around to go. Some young men and some old men and young soldiers were humming tunes and singing words to songs I didn't know. This little patch of earth, this little pile of stones, I can wash the dust from off my face and skin, but this earth is in my bones. My wife, she told me that she had been to church on Sunday, been to church on Sunday, she had felt the need to pray. And my children were baptized there, but it was just to please the old ones, just to please the old ones, and I don't know what to say. Tonight is dark is falling, I am tending to my garden, tending to my garden and the crops that I have grown, and my car is heavily laden. Soon I'll start the engine, soon I'll start the engine, wake the children and be gone. I am watering my garden when I smell the cigarette smoke. I smell the cigarette smoke as I turned around in the dust, and I see the glint of rifles, but I cannot see the faces, but I recognize the voices that say, you must come with us. This little patch of earth, this little pile of stones, I can wash the dust from off my face and skin, but this earth is in my bones.
There he is.
That was first Ralph McTell song of the night, wasn't it? Yeah. Right, well, we're halfway around, so we'll just carry on, I think. But I'll swap places with Alun. I'll come on next, and Alan can finish the night off when we get round to it.
Finish it off.
So, right, this one, boys and girls, you are invited to join in little bits. If you just want to press your little bar. Those of you who can do sheep or hens or goats. A song called give us a chance. Let's get through
Just get on with it.
Nay, nay.
No sheep on the mountain, no on the lake. No coin in my coffin to keep me awake. Corn in my garner, no fruit on my tree.
Oh!
Made of Llanwellyn, smells sweetly on me. No sheep on the mountain, no goats. No horses to offer, no goats. The hens I have by me, 1, 2, and 3. But the maid of Llanwellyn smells sweetly on me. Rejoin will tell you with eyes full of sun. There is my coat, my hosen the torn. Scoff on my rejoin, for faint is thy glee. When the maid of Llanwellyn smells sweetly on me.
Pretty boys.
Sheep on the mountain, Steers to offer or ghosts.
Roof, roof.
The hens I have by me, but the maid of Llanwellyn smells sweetly.
Bah.
Farmer rides proudly to markets and fair. In the alehouse, the great chair. But of all of our fellows, the proudest I'll be when the maid of Llanwellyn smells sweetly on me. Last time, no sheep on the mountain, no horses to offer, no goats. Things I have by me, 1, 2, and 3. But the maid of Llanwellyn smells sweetly on me.
Arr, arr.
Well carried on, John. You didn't fall.
What's that Brian's got?
That was well held, John, I must admit. Yeah.
What's that you've got there, Brian? Is that your sex toy?
We costed it out and it was cheaper to keep a sheep than a dog.
It's a Welshman's sex toy, I think. That one.
Well, this one's brand new, so it's undisturbed.
Hey, Gwyn, I know where he lives now. You can come and burn the cottage, burn the roof off. You, me, and a couple of mates, we'll sort him.
Right, well, I've lost my thread now. It's John W.
Oh, is it? Oh my God! It won't be. How do I follow that then?
There, a bucket and shovel.
Sheepishly.
Sheepishly. Thank you very much, Alan Manouche. That will do. I don't know. What? Yes.
You asked for that, John.
Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, yes, he did. Oh, there we go. Right. Let me think about this one. Oh, don't think too long, John. Right. Here's a protest song just for a laugh. When I was a younger man, I thought we'd found the master plan for peace, and we'd find release from fear and hate and death and war. It seemed a cause worth living for, and I did, though I was just a kid. Thought we'd go and right some wrongs, grew our hair, sang protest songs, marched against the atom bomb and the war in Vietnam, and we preach peace as the way to live. Now we're laughed at, fell from grace, with a generation lost in space through drugs. We're portrayed as mugs, and militarism retakes the stage, and I find myself in a silent rage at this. You know it's all amiss. You can stop the hunt from killing foxes, yet you'll bring your soldiers home in boxes from where you send them killing peasants in Afghanistan. Now you've got your final plan. We gotta go and take his lamb. We gotta go and kill some more. We can maybe have a nuclear war, 'cause Armageddon's what you're praying for. Then Jesus might come and save us. If there's anyone left to say.
Yeah.
Lovely. Oh, that was crap. Oh, that was awesome.
One of you not a proper song.
It was quite good. Oh no, that was great.
Yeah. Oh, Natasha's joined us from Moscow.
Hey!
Yeah, I'm sorry about that last song. The night will get better, I assure you. It'll get better as we go along. And I understand you've got something for us tonight, Natasha.
Oh.
Right, we'll pop you in because we know it's late with you. We'll not keep you sort of up there all night. We'll pop you in after Alan Manouche.
There we go.
Right,
how's that? Okay, so that's in about 7 or 8 minutes.
Hup.
Okay, but has Carol got something else for us?
Yes.
Yeah, she, a pretty little bum is moving on to the seat.
So this poem's called The Deer, and it was written on the 18th of July 2019. In the coastal town of St Ives, on a warm mid-July afternoon, you don't expect to see a deer when you look out from a back bedroom. Yet there you stood, tall and proud, magnificent, majestic and calm, looking at me, looking at you, each one meaning the other no harm. With your freedom of spirit to roam where you wish, you were a strange sight to see. For there's no forest or woodland, no open space, just beautiful blue sea. We shared some special moments, not once but thrice that day. Then, in the blink of an eye, as the sun faded away, I looked again, and you were gone. I'll never know from where you came, or what it was brought you here. But on that particular mid-July afternoon, you were a mystical, magical deer. Thank you.
That's lovely, lovely.
My niece actually saw that and sent me pictures of it. It was the day my stepmom died, and looking out of her back bedroom window, it looks onto the garden. The garden is on 3 tiers, and the deer was on the middle tier. Behind it, there is only a 1,000-space car park. And there's nothing, no woodland, no forest, nothing anywhere near. But the deer came 3 times, and each time it was a critical moment in my stepmom's life, or the end of her life. Thank you.
Yeah, that was lovely.
Right, well, thank you very much there, Carol. And we've got Gwyn with a song because he's got his guitar on.
Whoa! Right, this takes you back to the very late 50s, early 60s, when everybody got together around the TV set to watch a movie on a Sunday afternoon. And you'd cuddle down there and you'd watch the movie, and your mum and your dad and everybody would be there. And one of the sets of movies we used to watch was Sabu the Elephant Boy. And this is a song about Sabu. It's a John Prine song. Sabu visits the Twin Cities alone. The movie wasn't really doing so hot, said the new producer to the old big shot. It's dying on the edge of the great Midwest. Sabu must tour or forever rest. Hey look Ma, here comes the elephant boy, bundled up in his corduroy, heading down south towards Illinois, from the jungles of East St. Paul. His manager sat in his office alone, looking at the numbers on the telephone, wondering how a man could send a child actor to visit in the land of the wind chill factor. Hey look Ma, it's the elephant boy, bundled up in his corduroy, heading down south towards Illinois, from the jungles of East St. Paul. Sabu was sad, the whole tour stunk. the airline lost the elephant's trunk. The roadies got the rabies and the scabies and the flu. They were low on morale and they were high on. Hey look, Ma, it's the elephant boy, bundled up in corduroy, heading on south toward Illinois, from the jungles of East St. Paul, from the jungles of East St. Paul. Sabu visits the Twin Cities.
Good one, Gwen. I do love the rhythm of your guitar. It's really lovely beat.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, well, the tip is forget your lovely echo. Forget your expensive guitars. Go for the cheap one.
Of course, I'm too young to remember Sabu the Elephant Boy. So
of course you are, John.
It went over my head, Tigwin, I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, there we are, you see.
Elephant Boy.
I think you'll find that in the 50s and 60s they were called films. They weren't called movies.
No, this is true. Yes.
Was it Mickey Dolenz?
He was Elephant Boy.
He was Elephant. Yeah, he was. Yeah.
He was Circus Boy.
The monkeys. Yeah, monkeys.
Circus Boy.
Was it, John Hurt was Elephant Boy, wasn't he?
Elephant Man.
Elephant Man.
Right, okay.
Oh, we're scraping the barrel now. Yeah.
He kept it hidden in his trunk.
Purely to make Natalia sound really, 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 really good, we've got Alan in front of her.
Oh, Alan, don't
Cheers,
take
mate.
any
'Cause
notice now.
Fox Firkin's first album was called Scraping the Barrel.
Oh.
Right, this is totally self-indulgent. I did a song for Lou, written by Ian Rickard. This is my song for Lou, if you like. It's called One of a Kind. Long, lonely evenings beside you, with the warmth of our love and sun. Those magical moments together, with the promise of much more to come. My heart longs for your touch. I miss you so much. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you are one of a kind. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you are one of a kind. Now life can be lonely without you, even with all of the friends that I have. Can't hide all the sadness inside me when I think of the good times we had. My heart longs for your touch. I miss you so much. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you, one of a kind. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you, one of a kind. Now the golden light shines, but you are not here. The birds, they are singing their summertime cheer. The air is filled with such heavenly scent, just reminds me of the good times we spend. My heart longs for your touch. I miss you so much. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you, one of a kind. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you, one of a kind. are not here. The birds, they are singing their summertime cheer. The air is filled with the heavenly scent. Just remind me of the good times we spend. My heart longs for your touch. I miss you so much. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you, one of a kind. You fill all the thoughts in my mind. For you were one of a kind. Yes, you were one of a kind. Yes, you were one of a kind.
Wow!
Beautiful. Yeah.
A proper song though, remember that.
It goes without saying that's
Lovely,
from
Al.
the heart, Al. But
Yeah.
thank you very much for the real telegraphed ending there.
Yeah,
that was
we
a
saw that
smasher.
coming. My
the
finger was
repeat
hovering
line,
over
the
the
slight slowing down. We were there.
Yeah.
We knew. We knew
Bang
we
on.
weren't going to clap before the end.
I heard.
We knew
Hit
the
your
end
finger
was
on a
coming.
button.
Splendid, mate.
Now,
Yeah,
my
lovely song.
my friend here has got information about anybody who has internet through Bangor Telephone Exchange.
You've got a friend.
Oh. Hey, hang on. Look. I'm the only one he's got, and he's the only one I've got, so we've got to keep close together.
We're sorry about this, Natasha. You shouldn't allow these two together ever.
No.
No, poor Natasha's waiting.
Right,
patiently, isn't she?
Bangor Telephone Exchange.
Oh, yes.
Tell them.
There's been a fire. You probably heard there's been a fire in Bangor Telephone Exchange. And BT, in its, quote, infinite wisdom, unquote, decided to make Bangor a control centre for just about all of North Wales coast anyway.
Oh, that's good.
So if your internet is suffering, then it's probably down to T. Gwyn's mates who set Bangor Exchange on fire. Just for a laugh, of course.
Of course.
Right,
Who can blame them?
okay. This is what we've all been waiting for tonight. We have got Natalia all the way from
She's
Moscow,
concocted
where
something.
it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
No, is it?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. And yeah, I'm from Russia, so hello. I have, thank you very much, first of all, very kind of you for giving me time. And yeah, it's indeed very late for me, but not that late. I mean, it's not critical, so it's okay. And anyways, I will not take much time. I have written a poem, and it's not really serious, and it's quite short. So let me read it for you. And it's called One Reason Why I Want to Live Forever. So here it is. There is one reason why I want to live forever. I am just curious what will happen next. There are no other reasons whatsoever. About this, I wrote a simple text. It would be fun to see where our world is coming. One day to see humanity escape to space, to get amazed at all the progress thriving, and witness outcomes of the arms race. Do you need a body for new vaccine trials? You may use mine, I am immortal anyways. For thousands of years, I dreamt about new lifestyles and say, back in my day, it was a better place. I'd work for media, report the news, and never buy into shite they tell us all the time. I'd make a perfect journalist because I would remember hundreds of years of their lies and their crimes. Such choice might look like it wasn't clever. At times, the world might look way too perplexed. But anyways, I want to live forever because I'm curious what will happen next. That's it.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Brilliant.
Well,
no, not bad for your second language, I don't suppose.
Yeah, if I made any mistakes, please.
Better English.
No worries.
Hang on, your English is better than any of our Russian.
Thank
Better
you.
than most of our English.
Right.
Sorry, your English is better than any of our English. That's it.
Thanks.
Oh, lovely.
Right.
Lovely to see
You're not plagued with this sort of northeast Lancashire accent like what I am. Or who else? Oh, we've got some funny accents tonight. We've got the people from the northeast. You can't understand a word they say.
No.
You've got Irene, who's the Quine from Dundee.
Yeah.
Do you do Quine down in Dundee, or is it just an Aberdeen? No, right. You from henceforth you are Quine. Okay. Right.
And of course, there's people like us with no accent whatsoever.
No.
Or so it seems.
Oh.
Or so it seems.
Right, that was lovely.
Thank you very much.
That was worth waiting for. Thank you very, very much. We'll send a report on TripAdvisor tomorrow.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Yeah, thank you.
Michael Hawkins will now sing unaccompanied.
Oh, he will. Look at him.
Yeah, he's got no guitar.
His loins are girded.
Yeah, and he's just checking he's got the words in front of him.
Yeah, that's it. Quite right.
This song's called American Stranger. It's about a American who comes over here to find a wife, basically. I'm a stranger in this country, from America I came, and nobody knows me or can tell to me my name. I'm a stranger in this country, I've tarried here a while. I have rambled for my true love, for many's the long mile. Some say I am rakish, some say I am wild, some say I am rakish, pretty girls to beguile. To prove myself loyal, you can come along with me. I will take you to America, my true love to be. Now we're all off to America, our ship will soon set sail, and heaven will provide us with a swift and prosperous gale. Here's a health to pretty Polly, she's the girl that I adore. Likewise the lovely Susan, although she's so poor. Here's a health to darling Nancy, my joy and my delight. She's the one that I cling to on a cold and frosty night. And when we are landed, we'll dance and we'll sing, all in a bounteous country, good fortune to bring. In the middle of the ocean will grow a myrtle tree. If ever I prove false to the girl who loves me, the moon it will darken, the stars will have no light. That's if ever I prove false to my own heart's delight. I'm a stranger in this country, from America I came. Nobody knows me or can tell to me my name. I'm a stranger in this country, I've tarried here a while. I have rambled for my true love, for many's the long mile.
Oh, Michael.
What a voice!
Very nice.
What really, love your low notes in that one. Bloody brilliant.
What did your mother feed you on to get a voice like that?
I don't know.
I'd like to know.
Birdseed.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Brilliant, Mike.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
No, it was all right. Right.
And you might have noticed I kept my eyes closed all the time.
Well,
So I wasn't reading the words, John.
Oh, so you've got it written on the back of your
I'm getting back into the habit.
Heads up glasses. Heads up glasses.
Close your eyes, you don't need the words.
Oh, well, no, that's right, actually. Isolate yourself. Self-isolation is the answer. Yeah, that was lovely, Michael.
Right, what about the pair from up County Durham?
Hi, they've got what have they got? A dog or a sheep or something?
It was a sheep.
A sheep.
Yeah.
It's a sheep.
Sean the sheep.
And the grandchildren decided to call it Ruby.
Ruby?
As you do.
As you do. So
Did
it's
you take
Ruby
them
the
up to
sheep.
town?
Oh.
Right.
Yeah.
I always thought they were all called Barbara.
Oh, shut him up, will you?
Oh, Carol, get him on a short leash.
And pull it tight.
I'm sorry, this beer's...
Let me hear these beautiful people sing.
I'm glad to say she's out of the room at the minute.
You should host it next week.
You're
That's
all
what
going to
I
be
think.
complaining I've run over again, aren't you? And it's all your fault.
Right.
Go on, be quick, 'cause I need a wee.
Oh,
Oh,
right.
go and get one
Go and
then.
get one.
We'll wait.
We're from the northeast, but we're most definitely not Geordies. We're 20 miles away from Tyneside, and we have a few people that come to our clubs. And if they sang on here, you would need subtitles. Believe me, we struggle to understand them. You would have no hope. It's like me listening to you singing in Welsh. But right, this is it's a Bob Dylan song, but only in name really. It's the Adele version of "Make You Feel My Love." And I've got my neck brace on.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there's no one there to dry your tears, well, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you
The storms are raging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There is nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Woohoo! Lovely!
It's on gallery, John. Sorry.
Also, beautifully done.
Gallery.
And Brian weren't bad either.
On speak of you.
My assistant put you on sort of full screen there.
Oh, I did. I did.
To get the full sort of.
I always do. I always put you on full screen. You get the effect then.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah, that was delightful.
It was.
Yeah. Another round of applause, I think. Yes.
Oh,
yes.
definitely. Yeah.
Oh, more. Come on, let's have another one.
No, we'll just do the one. Try and get through everybody.
We're going to run on late tonight. I've given up trying to finish on time.
They're not bad for a pair of teenagers, are they?
Come on, give us another one.
Oh, we've caught them unawares.
Yeah, they weren't expecting that.
Oh,
No, you can sing another one, but there's plenty left to sing, so still 10 people.
Just let somebody else have a go.
No, come on, I want to hear you. Come
We'll see how we get on, how late we get on. But leave it for
Yeah.
now, and we'll see
That's
how late
fine.
we get on.
Absolutely fine.
Well, yes.
Make sure they stick around, though, won't it?
We will.
Oh, they don't bug off early, these two. Yeah, they're not.
Keep them on a tight leash. That's what I say.
You've got to take the sheep for a walk.
Hang on, then. They've never been early leavers, have you? They've never been
We
early.
haven't. No.
We're always there before we
Come on,
start and
Phil,
never
get
leave
going,
after.
Phil.
Where's Phil? Where's Phil?
Don't want to miss anybody.
I take it Izzy isn't still performing. Okay, I haven't really do it here because it's a bit sort of got too many local references to it, so I've sort of avoided doing it here. So you need to know there's the A1058 is known as the coast road that runs from Newcastle to Whitley Bay, and it is notoriously dug up. I mean, it's been dug up for years and years and years, and particularly at the junction at Silverlink where the A19 crosses it. And it's been crucial to this song, and unfortunately about a year ago they decided to get rid of all the roadworks altogether and it's completely gone. So the song's a bit meaningless now, but never mind. Bank holiday, in the merry month of May, Matty Groves went to the pub in the session for to play. He strapped his guitar upon his back, then through the door he went. He ordered a pint from the bar, then he went to the gents. And after that, he found himself a narrow seat next to a fiddler bold, and then he spade a maiden fair with hair that shone like gold. She looked at him and then she said, "You're playing chord shapes of G, when surely this tune, when played right, is in the key of D." The fiddler spoke, "It's an A, you prat," and poked Matty with his bow. The girl picked up poor Matty's glass, and the fiddler it did throw. While the landlord, who was standing by the scuffle, he then did halt. He chucked out Matty and the girl, even though it was not their fault. Come home with me, come home with me, come home with me straight away. I am a famous folkie's wife, it is at a gig in Whitley Bay. And the coast road's closed at Silverlink, so he won't be home till morning. Let's make music in my bed, I've heard you're good at performing. barroom player who was standing by overheard the conversation and swore that he would put an end to the secret assignation. His mobile phone went to his ear and the folkies' phone did ring. The guitarist is in bed with your wife, having a good old fling. I can't come home, I won't come home, I'm in the middle of a gig. Besides, the coast road's impassable, the council do up it dig. But in his hurry to finish the gig, he snapped his toppy string. That very soon put him in the mood to finish his dear wife's fling. He left the gig and quickly ran out to his trusty Volvo. Oh no, he cried, the road is blocked, I'll have to go on the metro. Arriving at his own front door, he tiptoed up the stair. Straight to the bedroom he did go and confronted the guilty pair. Well, how do you like my IKEA bed? How do you like the curtains? And how do you like my lady wife, with whom you seem to be firkling? Well, I like your IKEA bed, but of your curtains I'm not so sure. The same goes for your lady wife, I think she's a bit of a whore. Now you'd expect this tale to end with a duel fought hard and true, but Matty wasn't up for that. Straight down the stairs he flew. Out in the street he hitched a lift. He's not been seen for a while. There is a rumour he was last seen busking in Carlisle.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, Phil.
Well, Kermit liked it. We are but Muppets.
Indeed.
We haven't seen your dog tonight, though. We're not bothered about
Yes,
you.
he was joining in earlier. He was joining in. I tried to get him to bark in the
woof woof song.
Animal section, but he looks at me weird and said, "What the hell are you doing here?" And he went in his basket down here.
What's his or her name?
Freddie.
Freddie.
Freddie!
Oh.
Hey, Freddie!
Freddie!
Freddie! Freddie!
Freddie!
Freddie!
Freddie!
Hey, Freddie!
Fast
Howie!
asleep. Poor lad. Oh, yeah.
No, he's asleep. He's obviously drugged. He's a dog drugger. Phil.
Just walk our neighbour's kids.
Oh, I give him homebrew. Give him a bit of homebrew. He likes that.
Oh, yes.
Right, okay, I'm short on time.
Oh.
You wouldn't believe it, but come on, Quine then.
Oh, bless her.
Come on, Quiney, get Dave from Mumbles to sort your sound out.
Okay, no, I'm going to do it a cappella.
Oh.
It's a Chris Drever song called Navigator. The canals and the bridges, the embankments and cuts, they blasted and dug with their sweat and their guts. They never drank water, but whiskey by pints. And the shanty towns rang with their songs and their sights. Navigator, navigator, rise up and be strong. The morning is here, and there's work to be done. Take your pick and your shovel, and the bold dynamite, for to shift a few tons of this earthly delight. Yes, to shift a few tons of this earthly delight. They died in their hundreds with no sign to mark where, save the brass in the pocket of the entrepreneur. By landslide and rock blast they got buried so deep that in death, if not life, they'll have peace while they sleep. Navigator, navigator, rise up and be strong. The morning is here, and there's work to be done. Take your pick and your shovel, and the bold dynamite, for to shift a few tons of this earthly delight. Yes, to shift a few tons of this earthly delight. Their mark on this land is still seen and still laid. The way for a commerce where vast fortunes were made. The supply of an empire where the sun never sets, which is now deep in darkness, but the railway's there yet. Navigator, navigator, rise up and be strong. The morning is here, and there's work to be done. Take your pick and your shovel, and the bold dynamite, for to shift a few tons of this earthly delight. Yes, to shift a few tons of this earthly delight.
Can he beat that
That's
accent?
lovely.
You can't beat that accent.
Oh no, that's lovely. Alan Manouche, we noticed you were in a verse early. You were about to clap a verse before the end. We noticed that.
Oh,
Yeah, you nearly got the Prince.
I know, I just held back.
He's always a bit premature, is our Alan, isn't he?
You need, you need a lot of penicillin to get rid of the premature clap.
No.
It's a family show, remember?
No, it's not really. It's 20 past 10.
Irene, that was delightful. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree.
What is it, Barbara Dixon? I can't tell. Which is it?
I mean, that was a Chris Drever song. I'm a big fan of his dad, Ivan, ex of Wolfstone. Writes some fabulous songs. Really does. Always worth. Have a look at Ivan Drever on YouTube.
Oh.
Some great stuff. Oh. Right, we've got your backing group next, Harry.
Can I just say good night before you go?
Is Helen washing up again?
Yeah. She's gone down to the canal to do the smalls.
Oh, there she is.
Someone said good night then.
Me.
Who said good night?
I did. Dave Prescott said, Tyrrell, good night. Thank you very much.
Hello, matey. Take care.
Mr. HFADX.
Hello. Night.
Nice to see you.
Okay. Hi. I asked my love to take a walk, just a little walk, down by the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. Can only say that you'll be mine in no other's arms entwined, down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I held a knife against her breast, as gently in my arms she pressed. She cried, my love, don't you murder me, I'm not prepared for eternity. I took her by the lily white hand, led her down where the waters stand. I picked her up and I pitched her in and watched her as she floated down. I wandered home between 12 and 1. I cried, my God, what have I done? I've killed the only woman I love. because she would not be my bride, and only say that you'll be mine in no other's arms entwined, down beside where the waters flow, down by the bank of the Ohio, and only say that you'll be mine in no other's arms entwined, down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio.
Woohoo!
Thank you very much, everyone.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant, Mike.
Lovely, Mike.
Everyone was singing along to that. They could see.
Well, what was the reason that Helen wasn't involved in that? Was it because you'd thrown her in the river?
Well, he did say she'd gone down to the river to wash the smalls.
That's right.
Oh,
hello,
Helen.
There is a
Nice to see you.
They were probably bigger smalls than what you thought.
Yes, they wouldn't be smalls at all. They'd be big.
There is a reason. Helen can't keep a straight face when there's any folk song with the words Lily White Hand in.
It should be banned.
Right.
We were trying to imagine how low Dave Heitch was getting with those notes when he was doing Where the waters flow.
Down by the banks.
Oh yes, that was it. That was it. There he is. There he is. Look
Right.
at that.
Okay, thank you, Yuppie, and we will move on to
Delightful.
Gwyneth, whose baby sister has just departed.
Yeah, mainly because Rebecca's glasses just broke.
Ah.
So
Is it
they're
not
trying to-
because you taught them always to have an early night on a Friday?
Of course.
A proper mum.
Like mother, like daughter, like daughter, like mother.
I can teach them all I want. It's whether they listen is the question.
That's typical modern parenting.
Right, well, come on,
isn't it?
come on,
Yeah,
come on, come on, yeah, come on.
Right. This is a song from the Appalachian Mountains. It's found all over the place, though. There's Scottish versions and whatever. Old Woman. Old woman, are you fond of smoking? Old woman, are you fond of smoking? Speak a little louder, sir, I'm rather hard of hearing. Speak a little louder, sir, I'm rather hard of hearing. Old woman, are you fond of carding? Old woman, are you fond of carding? Speak a little louder, sir, I'm rather hard of hearing. Speak a little louder, sir, I'm rather hard of hearing. Old woman, will you let me court you? Old woman, will you let me court you? Speak a little louder, sir, I just begin to hear you. Speak a little louder, sir, I just begin to hear you. Old woman, don't you want to marry me? Old woman, don't you want to marry me? Lord have mercy on my soul, I think that now I hear you. Lord have mercy on my soul, I think I now do hear you. Thank you.
No telegraph at all. Just the end of the song.
Yeah, sharp cut off there.
Oh, yes.
Right, thank you, Gwyneth, and thank you for bringing your
offspring
with
Oh,
us.
sister.
Hopefully they'll come again.
Siblings.
Lovely.
Yeah, I hope Alan hasn't been too rough with the language tonight and the filth.
If they can put up with me singing Fair Maid of Islington, they can put up with most things.
I don't think it was Alan that uses such
Thank you, John.
dubious language.
No, don't mute him. Don't mute him.
I've muted him.
John. Thank you, John.
I agree
language
with
does
John
not
totally.
come from Mr. Rhys Jones, but more from John Shepherd.
Dave, come on, Dave, give us a song.
That's a lovely thing to say, John. Thank you very much.
Hey, you're welcome.
We're behind you, Alan.
Oh, with a bucket and shovel.
What's David got for
I'm going to do a Hank Williams tune. Not one of his better known ones, but one strangely enough that I can remember now hearing on Two-Way Family Favourites, if you remember that, which produced the occasional gem. And I'd never heard a guitar played like this before, and it was an epiphany. That's one of the songs that he sang with solo guitar. You were there in my arms, alone in the moonlight. The trees played the waltz of the wind. It was then that I knew I'd love you forever as we danced to the waltz of the wind. The stars up above you blazed in your eyes. There in the moonlight I knew. So I'll say goodbye till we meet tomorrow, and we'll dance to the waltz of the wind. You were there in my arms, alone in the moonlight. The trees played the waltz of the wind. It was there that I knew I love you forever as we danced to the waltz of the wind. The stars up above you looked down in your eyes, told me the night would never end. So I'll say goodbye till we meet tomorrow, and we'll dance to the waltz of the wind.
That's the end.
Oh, yeah.
Yes!
Lovely.
Nicely, Dave.
I love your repertoire. It just brilliant.
Yeah. We were just saying Dave Eich is a one-off, thank
He
goodness.
is, totally, yeah.
Oh,
I'm
you're
a
a one-off,
long way
Dave.
off, but,
Oh, no, we love you. We love you.
Quite a lot of one-offs here, isn't there, really?
Yeah.
We've just had a bit of a message sent to us from Jane down at the bottom. Alan will do the piano for 50 quid.
Where? In where? In Llangollen?
Llangollen.
No, 70. Llangollen.
Oh, well, 50 plus travelling.
No, no, 60 plus travelling it is. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I
Where
thank
are we
you.
now? Oh, we're with the Jenkins brothers.
Brothers?
The Jenkins sisters, whatever.
Whatever.
Actually, I was just reminded.
Losers.
I was just reminded from Dave Eich's country song. What happens if you play a country song record backwards? Well, you get your house back, your girl back, your dog.
Oh, don't encourage him. Come on. Don't encourage him.
Chwarae
No, I'm muting us.
Yeah,
Right,
please.
go on, Charles John.
But the train never leaves.
Here's a sailor's song. If I had been born 200 years ago, I would have been a sailor, and sailing I would go. I'd sail around the capes, across the 7 seas, and then back home. If I had been born 200 years ago. And I would know the waters, and the waters would know me. I'd cut across the waves and be as happy as can be. I'd be landless, I'd be loveless, I'd be flight and fancy free. I would know the waters, and the waters would know me. If I had been born 200 years ago, I would have been a sailor, and sailing I would go. I'd sail around the capes, across the 7 seas, and then back home. If I had been born 200 years ago.
And when I think about the place and time where I was born, I wonder if the hands of fate had slipped and placed me wrong, 'cause there are ships I could have sailed and sailor's boots I could have worn. When I think about the place and time where I was born.
If I had been born 200 years ago, I would have been a sailor, and sailing I would go. I'd sail around the capes, across the 7 seas, and then back home. If I had been born 200 years ago. But the ocean is still out there, magnificent and wide. She's got open arms to hold me, and endless space to hide. And the only things that hold me back are the things I hold inside. The ocean is still out there, magnificent and wide. If I had been born 200 years ago, I would have been a sailor, and sailing I would go. I'd sail around the capes, across the 7 seas, and then back home. If I had been born 200 years ago. Oh, 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 sailing I would go.
Yeah, good harmony, brilliant.
That was really good.
Harmonies.
Beautiful harmonies. Voices blend, lovely, brilliant.
My backing group is just tuning up now. But being that a few people have departed,
You sound like Harry Seacombe there.
we have time for one more from Brian and Sue.
Oh, yes.
Hands up all those who want one more from Brian and Sue. Yeah, okay, motion carried.
Why have you got Harry Seacombe with you?
He's gone off in a strop.
Brian.
Is Brian? He's not.
No, he's gone in a strop.
Is he in a strop?
Come on, Brian, get your act together.
Come on,
Oh,
get out of it.
Is that a virtual background or is that their house? What do you reckon? I reckon
What's
that's a
that?
virtual
This?
background.
What, the Catons?
That is our house.
Yeah, we do live here.
Do you want a lodger? Because I've got a few here.
Right, you're talking about false endings. This one does have a false ending in the song, so you have to wait. You'll tell when we're finished, because we'll knock all the lights off and go to bed. This is a sort of an end of night song, but normally when you're at a club and you have to actually go, because it's homeward bound. I'm sitting in the railway station, got a ticket for my destination. On a tour of one night stands, my suitcase and guitar in hand, and every stop is neatly planned for a poet and a one-man band. Homeward bound, I wish I was homeward bound. Home where my thoughts thoughts escaping home, where my music's playing home, where my love lies waiting silently for me. Every day's an endless stream of cigarettes and magazines. And each town looks the same to me, the movies and the factories. And every stranger's face I see reminds me that I long to be homeward bound. I wish I was homeward bound. Home, where my thoughts escaping home, where my music's playing home, where my love lies waiting silently for me. Tonight I'll sing my songs again, I'll play the game and pretend. But all my words come back to me in shades of mediocrity, like emptiness in harmony. I need someone to comfort me. Homeward bound, I wish I was homeward bound. Home, where my thoughts escaping home, where my music's playing home, where my love lies waiting silently for me. Silently for me.
Excellent.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
The whole evening was worth that. That was brilliant.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
What a key
Oh,
to
you haven't heard the finale yet, boy.
Oh, well, this is it.
Yeah, but this is completely, totally unrehearsed.
How very dare you? My bit's rehearsed.
Well, I've never done any of this in my life. I've never played any of it. So
This is going to be
You're going to do
interesting.
the verses, are you?
yeah, I'll do that one and that one.
This could be chaos.
That is not a crib sheet between you, is it?
It is. You can tell.
Oh.
Of course, I've never done this in my life before. Right.
John's got his reading glasses on, that's why you see.
Right.
It's a song which is often attributed to the Dubliners, but it's actually a song written by Pete St. John. He's very posh now in Ireland, very, very posh. Never ever seen without cufflinks on. And it's a song called Dublin the Rare Old Times. You may know it as Ring a Ring a Rosie.
A beautiful song.
Oh, yes, and Ring a Ring a Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the rare old times. Ring a Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the rare old times. Raised on songs and stories. Don't rush, John. Run, John, you're rushing.
Yeah, well, you do it
Right,
slowly
right.
now.
Right, slow.
Start
It's
again,
nice.
start again, start.
Raised. We'll start with raised. 2, 7. Raised on songs and stories, heroes of renown, the passing tales and glories that once was Dublin town. The hallowed halls and houses, the haunting children's rhyme, they're a part of what was Dublin in the rare old times. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the red old times. My name it is Sean Dempsey, as Dublin as can be, born hard and late in Pimlico, in a house that ceased to be. By trade I was a cooper, lost out to redundancy, like my house that fell to progress. My trade's a memory. Ring a ring, ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the red old time. We're in C. I courted Mary Dinan, pretty as you please, a rose and child of Mary from the rebel liberties. I lost her to a student chap with skin as black as coal, when he took her off to Birmingham. She took away my... Come on the chorus, here we go. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the red old time. The years have made me bitter, the daggers dim my brain, and Dublin seems unchanging, and nothing stays the same. The pillar and the metal gone, the royal long since pulled down, as the grey unyielding concrete makes a city of my town. Come on, ring a ring, ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the red old times. So farewell, Amalfi. I can no longer stay and watch the great glass cages spring up along the quay. My mind's too full of memories, too old to hear new chimes. I'm part of what was Dublin in the rare old times. Last time, here we go. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the red old time. Well, last time. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin City in the red. You know the ending. I remember Dublin City. Yeah.
Oh, fabulous!
Hey, well done.
And
Wonderful.
That was brilliant.
Will we be able to download that from Spotify tomorrow?
Very kind. Utterly unrehearsed.
That was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant, boys.
Loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Yeah, we sang along. We We sang along, played along. It was good.
All the lot.
Hand movements.
Harmonies.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
What a cracking night.
We could see
Fantastic.
lots of Muppets sing
Yeah.
along with that. Yeah.
I shall say it before, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I'm so glad I've found you chaps. It's been wonderful.
Well, I'm still wondering about you, John.
I agree.
Well, I'm
Yes.
still wondering about John.
In what way?
I was going to say the feeling's mutual, John, but John stopped me.
That's fair enough, my friend, yeah.
The jury's still out on whether it's mutual. Of course it's bloody mutual.
Good.
Of course
He's
it's
in the bed
mutual.
for the night here.
Yeah.
No, wait, we have to keep this going even when we go live, don't we, really?
Yeah.
Well,
Somehow.
yes, we've got
Somehow.
some thoughts about that.
I know.
Our
There
chairman,
will
really
be.
hope so.
our chairman gone to bed?
No, he's still there.
Is he?
Because our
chairman's
chairman's
there,
had,
yes.
had to stick it out to the very end because he's writing the blog tomorrow.
All right.
He's about to press the.
I can see his finger. What a big finger you have, Andrew.
He's giving us the finger.
Hell of a
Dragon's breaths.
Is that called the fickle finger of fate?
hang on.
Oh, indeed
There's
so.
an advert coming up. Dragon's what?
Dragon's Breath will be continuing. Well, when we go back live, we'll be live on a Tuesday evening, and on a Wednesday evening, I'll be running a Zoom session for those who can't come to
Well.
Village Hall.
Dragon's Breath. Now then,
Yeah, we are.
there's somewhere.
Halitosis.
Oh,
Yes, I do suffer occasionally. It's something to do with the sulphur I have to swallow to keep me flaming. You see.
Dave, you run yours like that. You do one live, one recorded, don't you? Or one live, one Zoom, or whatever.
Me.
Dave.
Dave.
Yes,
That's right.
I'm just going to stop the recording. We'll carry on. We'll carry on with the chat, but I'm going to stop the recording.
look at him.
Good
He's gonna
idea.
Stop the recording. There we are. Look at that. You can swear all you like.
Oh
now.
no, we're still going.
Oh no, press.
Still going. I can't say